Welcome back to our tip series, Designing Phases. It's where we help you not only design your space, but offer tips based on the phase of life you're in. I love this concept. Here to help us is Anna Arun. She's an expert from Coddle. She's here to offer some tips for designing phases. So welcome, Anna.
Glad to be here.
Great to have you. So today's space and today's phase is all about empty nesters, and that means the kids are grown, right? They're out of the house, and I'm feeling an upgrade. Am I not wrong?
That's right.
Good. So you have our empty nesters, empty space. Are you ready to transform it?
Sure am.
All right, let's do it. Wow, this is spectacular. I'm loving this whole shape and the colors, and it's spectacular.
Thank you.
This is gorgeous. Anna, when someone is at that empty nest phase of their life, what does it mean when you're trying to change your house?
Well, let's talk about it. So in the empty nester phase, you're actually trying to claim back your home, if you will, from the kids.
Yes.
So some examples of what you would do in such a situation is you would possibly be claiming back a kid's room or a den, for example.
Playroom, maybe?
A playroom, for example. And some of the things you could do with it is maybe have an extra guest room, or prep a room for returning adult kids, or just have a nice lounging evening relaxing room.
Yeah,
and
something more sophisticated.
Exactly, and make it look beautiful, and while doing so, not lose a guest room.
How do you not lose a guest room?
Well, let me show you.
So Anna, this looks like a really nice end chair, right, basically?
Yes, this is an oversized cuddle chair. So one or two people can spend a nice cozy evening cuddling on it.
Very nice. I love the size, by the way.
It is very comfortable, and we built it so that people can hang out and have a couple glasses of wine, enjoy, have a nice relaxed evening.
You sure about the glass of wine?
Yes, absolutely. And if you do happen to spill while cuddling, you can easily clean it and not worry about it.
Ah, it's performance fabric, right?
Yes, it is.
But
Yes,
it's
it
also a little lighter than some of the other pieces we've seen.
That's a very good observation. So at this stage in life, as an empty nester, you don't have to worry about going with dark fabrics, and you can branch out a little bit and not worry about, kids destroying it, and pick lighter fabrics to make the room look chic and modern, and also pick some lighter colors to accessorize with brighter, nicer accent pieces and accessories and lights and artwork and things like that.
Yes. So what about this guest room?
Right, you got that. So remember, we don't want to lose our guest room in everything we're doing. So this beautiful chair here turns into a twin-size sleeping surface.
Stop it.
Let me show you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this.
That's right.
This is so cool, and it looks very comfortable.
Indeed. Since it doesn't have a bar in the back, it just has foam, and a beautiful, comfortable foam. It's a twin-size sleeping surface.
Ah, so these are twin sheets.
Yes, which uses market standard sheets. And when you wake up in the morning, you're nicely rested and don't have a backache.
Good sleep, unlike trying to sleep on the couch.
Now let me show you this.
Okay. This is obviously a stunning couch. I love the velvet look. But Anna, I know you, and I know this is probably not just a couch. Am I right?
That is correct. So let's have some fun with this.
Okay.
Let me show you how to sleep two people.
Two. Okay.
Yes, but let's have some fun with this. Why don't you
so
go
you're
around?
going to be here. Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to start some steps.
Okay.
And you follow right after me.
Go for it.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Step one.
One.
There
okay.
you go.
Done. Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
See how easy that is?
Easy peasy. Let's do this and that.
Done.
And then we can see the size of this. Look at that.
And how beautiful?
Wow.
It's a queen-size sleeping surface.
That's a beautiful
You can
size.
use queen sheets.
Queen sheets.
And you can sleep and wake up in the morning. Fantastic sleep, no backache.
And what happens in the morning?
Let me show you.
All right.
Step one.
Okay, so you just do this. Yep, there that is.
There you go.
Step one.
Step two.
Oh, that looks so easy. Here we go, two.
That's it.
Okay,
and
and then
back.
step three.
Done.
Wow.
How easy
So
was that?
versatile and so beautiful, such a nice line. And for more information like this, check out the Coddle website at coddleme.com or our website, designingspaces.tv, and watch for more Designing Phases tips in the future from the wonderful experts at Coddle, here only on Designing Spaces. Let's have a seat. Let's have some fun.
Thank you for having me.
Great job.